So just in full transparency, if this video, I shortened up a lot of things. So in the waiting time between Trip Radar and between ride requests coming in, I sped up the video in certain parts, but other parts I actually kept it at real time, so you can see how crazy sometimes it can get and overwhelming, which Sergio, I'm sure we'll talk about in just a moment. So I just want to let you know on that some of the things are going to look really fast.
All right, so this is my house. I'm at my house. It's surging nicely, and surge baiting. There's Trip Radar. Boom. I just looked at this. This is a decent trip. I would do this because although it's a long pickup, I still do it. 13, but without the 13 included, Chris, where would this trip be?
That'd be $4.77
for 10 miles and 27 minutes. It was going to pay me $4.77.
Nope.
Think about that. Think about
that. With the surge, though.
With the surge, questionable, yes, maybe.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, moving on.
Here comes the ping. All right. So, again, 13 included. Okay. I would do this trip just for the fact that it's keeping me where I'm at, near my house, right? I know the address, I know the zip code, and that's where I'm at. That's the pickup point. With the up arrow is the pickup point, as you guys know. With the down arrow is the drop-off point. It's taking me to an area that's business rush hour, morning rush hour, schools, as well as business. People are going to work. It's going to be surging there as well, so I can probably pick up a very similar trip, going another couple of miles. But you take the 13 out, people, okay? Please do your math. That's $3.74. I'm getting paid for 25 minutes and almost 9.5 miles of my life. So this is what's happening, people. Please pay attention to these ping screens. Please pay attention to this. A week ago, 2 weeks ago, when it was 60 cents a mile, 21 cents a minute, this trip would have paid me more. Now they're bundling 13 in there, and I'm not liking it. I really am not. So there's the first ping. Go ahead.
So yeah, this is, and then if you look, when these come up, like I said, you can look in the top corner where the record number
one
is.
of them will let it run through and see the clock.
And yeah, it's 1 second, so that's 1:23 when it started. So we'll give them that. But again, like I say, the difference is 2 to 3 seconds. It comes down. It feels like 6 seconds.
I would definitely take this trip on as well. I don't like long driving pickup miles because I'm not getting paid. But where it's putting me in my city, I know what's happening there. If I didn't take the first one, the 1777 one, I would definitely take this one. 25 minutes for $20. It fits all my parameters, mileage wise. 8 miles, almost 2.5 a mile any day, all day.
So
yeah, William, surges are helping me out because without a surge, look what they're paying for this trip without a surge, $6, bro.
Yeah, but so here's the thing though. This is a couple of things that you've been saying so far going through this. You say, I look at the destination. I know where it is and the time I'm at. This just goes to show you need to know your area. You need to know your market because you're going to be able to strategize better. You're going to be able to see a ride come in and say, look, this is a good ride and it's where I want to go.
Absolutely.
Or this is a good ride, but that's not where I want to go because now I'm going to have to either deadhead back or whatever it might be. So again, it's you want to know where you're going to end up as well, and you need to put that into your decision-making process because it's going to help you, be able to get more ride requests to come in versus having to deadhead. So
that's not going to Pacoima H&M, that's going to Arleta. But long story short, you got to play chess, not checkers. If you accept everything because you saw 1933 for 25 minutes, it's fine. But if this was taking me, let's say, to Santa Clarita, which is way up north, then I wouldn't have taken it. But so yeah, I mean, you can always cancel. But once I take on something, I'm going to usually do it. If we accept them, the algo thinks we do these without the surge. No, the algo is lowering the base fare. If there was no surge on this, the base, the trip on this, I'm pretty sure it would have paid you maybe like $7, $8 maybe. So the algo is lowering, seeing the 13 and giving you only 5. Sergio, this job is slave labor. Stop glorifying these strategies. The companies suck. Well, I'm not glorifying anything, but I think you're getting the wrong impression altogether. I call it the way I see it. Actually, I'm one of the only people that calls it the way I see it without being too negative or too positive. So this is not glorification. This is explanation, information, and education. Thanks for the comment. My acceptance rate from wow. Is it 3 or 30, bro? That's a drastic change.
90 to 3 or even 30. That's still a good one.
Yeah, 30 is
We're going to be talking about acceptance rates in just in a few minutes.
Yeah,
so
You did the poll,
save
right?
all that. We'll try to highlight some of those
All right, here comes the
once
next
we
one.
get there.
Here
All right,
comes
let's
the next
move
one.
on to the next couple ones.
This thing is over. I love that wonderful sound. See, search is not going away. Here comes trip radar. Definitely a doable trip. 100% would have taken it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that one's not bad. Even if you take it away, even if you take that $13 away.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. See, the algo is just figuring this out. Like similar lengths, similar trips, right? One is 25, one is 19, one is 17. And they ping me with it too. They ping exact same trip, the one that was on Trip Radar, right?
Mm-hmm.
Definite 100% yes category, right? So
I like the birds in the background too, Serge.
Oh yeah, bro. When it's surging, it's wonderful. When it's not surging, it's shit. I didn't take it. They put the trip. They put look. The first they shot it on Trip Radar. They pinged me with it. I didn't take it, and then they put it back on Trip Radar. It's the same damn trip, by the way. Same exact trip.
Yep.
There you go. Definite yes.
What's up? Yes.
Definite yes.
Yeah.
No brainer. This is how we make $40 in LA, people.
Earlier says that Uber ping sound. I have the urge to check my phone. Yes. Anybody? Actually, quick note. If anybody's driving right now, please pay attention because yes, we are going to be playing the ping request sounds and trip radar sounds a little bit right now at least for this segment. And then it'll be back to normal. So again, if you are listening, just make sure that you know, so you're not like going back and forth between your phone and whatnot. Just to clarify everything, so we don't have people all over the place.
Yeah. So this one actually, I'm driving. Here comes the pain. No surge.
So.
Okay, so by the way, in LA, minimum Uber fare is including the 55 fuel surcharge, which they have not taken away yet, is $327, and Lyft is $262. Believe it or not, that's what minimum fares are in LA. Uber's is a little bit better because of actually $375 now, just because of the 55. Otherwise, it's $327. So no go. I wouldn't touch this trip. I don't need to drive 3 miles to pick somebody up that's going a mile for $4.27. Not going to happen. Next one. Yeah, there is not the problem, bro. Yeah, 262. Okay, I'm driving. This is what I'm dealing with. I'm straight with this shit, by the way. Here it comes. That's 75 included, Chris. Hold it for a minute. That's okay. Keep going. Don't worry. Yeah, bucks.
There's so many rides coming in.
Yeah, this is what I'm going through, people.
And again, like I say, some parts are sped up, other parts are just, that's how it's coming in.
Yeah, look at this trip. Look at this garbage, right? $1.75 included. So if you take the $1.75, it's down to $4. 5.3 miles away, $1.89. I mean, 2 more miles to drive for $4 freaking dollars. This is the new upfront, Dara. You're definitely not pricing trips correctly, bro. Definitely not.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.